Here we are on the next perfect square trinomial. Now again, how do we recognize this as a perfect square trinomial? Well, first of all, you have to look at the first term and the last term and check to see if they are perfect squares. Here I have x by x, that's a perfect square, and here I have 5 by 5, that's a perfect square. Now, let's figure out what the product is. Here I have a 1, and 1 times 25 is 25. So our product is 25. Now, in order for this to be a perfect square, you would have to have two numbers that are exactly the same to get 25. So those two numbers can either be 5 times 5 or -5 times -5. Well, which two are they? Well, our sum is -10. So the pair that we would need, since our sum is -10, is -5 plus -5, because 5 plus 5 will give us +10. Okay, so the way that you would factor this is, since we chose those two, x minus 5 times x minus 5, or x minus 5 to the power of 2. Now, I'm going to do this with the tiles as well, just to show you that this works. Okay, so here I am, and I've filled out the 25 squares. They're a little bit sloppy, but that's okay. I hope you could see that it's a 5 by 5 square. Now, we have a sum of -x squared. So we would need 10 of these negative x's. So I'm going to start filling them in, and I'll show you what I mean. So here's 1. Now, how many do you think are going to fit across that top? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that's minus 5x. But then to finish the square, we need 5 more over here. So I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, so notice that I have filled everything in, and here we have minus 5x, and here we have another minus 5x, and all together that gives us this sum of negative 10x. So again, we have x, now this is negative 5x, we have minus 5 going across the side, and then here x minus 5 again. So our answer is x minus 5 to the power of 2.